I'll guide you through how to make money as a video editor. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, begin by learning the basics of video editing by exploring free tutorials, online courses, and helpful resources that explain different editing techniques and software tools. Take your time to understand how to cut clips, add transitions, adjust audio, and apply effect to create professional-looking videos. After you feel comfortable with the essentials, keep developing your skills by practicing regularly and experimenting with various editing styles, such as cinematic cuts, vlogs, or promotional videos, to discover what you enjoy most. Once you're confident in your abilities, it's time to start finding customers who are interested in your services. Visit www.𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀.com. After that, scroll down to the search bar located in the center of the homepage. Enter video editing in the search field and press enter or click the search button on the right. Browse through the results to see how other video editors present their gigs, including their titles, descriptions, pricing packages, and sample work. Take inspiration from their profiles, but focus on creating your own unique style and brand. Finally, set up your Fiverr profile, upload examples of your best edits, write a clear, engaging description, and start attracting customers who need high-quality video editing.